What is everybody? I'm Up Casey, back at you guys with another video. Something a little bit different this time. We're doing a gear review. So without further ado, let's get started. Now this brand right here, GVM, is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. I bought their LED panel lights a while back and I absolutely loved them. And then I saw that they were running an ad, buy one, get one free for their bi-color lights. So that's what we got here. So this is what it looks like. You have the light and the traveling case right here. And then we've got the softbox right there as well. All right, so here we've got the actual 200 watt bi-color studio light. It's very much like the one that the LED panel lights come in. This one's just a little bit smaller. And then the actual softbox comes in a separate but nice carrying case. This is actually the light that we used on Hell at My Heels. It was Alex Tomax, and he's the one that introduced me to the studio light version of this. So I figured once I saw that this sale was running, I might as well pick some up. It's a pretty good deal. All right, so we open it up and you can tell again that this has got some pretty nice quality to it. First thing you see when you open it is that it's very, very neatly packaged. You have instructions and some stickers right here. You have a super nice wrapped cable. Looks like we have an inverter here. All right, so here's the actual light. It is made of all metal. Looks like it's got a fan on the bottom. This thing is super solid, and it's exactly like I remember it from the short film, which was sweet. So you have the light, and you have the can that comes with it. Now this does not come with a stand. You have to buy the stands separately, but I have a C-stand already, so we're just gonna throw it on that. And it looks like right here too that the inverter actually can clip into this. Yep. So it's really good for cable control, keeping this separate and out of the way. It's got a super long cable too. All right, here we go. Let's fire this thing up. Striking. Oh my God. I don't think you guys can tell from here, but it is super bright. All right, so you got your brightness right here. That was on 10%. And right here, you can change the temperature. What a bi-color light is it goes from 2700 Kelvin, which is on the warm end of the spectrum, to, I believe this goes to 5600, which is a cool, actually it goes to 6800 Kelvin, which is a cool white light, but you change the temperatures on your camera and settings, so wow, this is freaking bright. All right, let's get the softbox on. So this one is actually the lantern right here. This is my first time having one of these. And then the other box that I got has the softbox in it. There we go. Striking. This thing, oh my God, it's unbelievable. It's a very powerful light. Now these lanterns too are really good for outdoor use when you're trying to illuminate like the whole scene. The softboxes are great for directional light, softening that harsh white light. We have strobe light. If you're sensitive to light or have epilepsy, this is your chance to skip ahead. Oh my God. And back to normal. So now I'm gonna get the other box opened up. We'll get the softbox thrown on here and then I'll wrap this thing up. And this comes with a honeycomb grid, which is great for getting that directional light straight on your subject without any overspill. All right, here's what that looks like right here. At least these things are sturdy. Oh yeah, that's nice. All right, let's swap this out with the old softbox and see how it looks. All right, so I wanna wrap this up before my battery dies. I got the new light set up. It looks sweet. It looks great, it's super professional. Overall, I give it a 10 out of 10. I think this is a great light. I'll have it linked in the description. Again, this is not a sponsorship. I've just used this brand before and I stand behind it. Let me know what your thoughts are. Would you guys buy this light? And if you like this type of video and you wanna see more gear reviews, maybe I could turn this into a series. Until next time, peace.